Linking your bank to Betterworks could streamline your financial management and enhance your budgeting capabilities. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access your Betterworks account. Log into your Betterworks account using your credentials. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. Step 2. Navigate to Financial Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Financial Settings or Bank Account Linking to proceed. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Financial Settings, find the option to link a new bank account. Click on it to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this SERP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to complete the process. You may receive a notification confirming the successful linking of your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Betterworks and enhance your financial management experience.